coaching thought for the day. Today's thought is actually a question. So I'm curious, if you are an instructional coach, what is a talent or a personality trait that you have that is strangely perfect for coaching? Normally, I would say my focus or discipline or organization. Like those are the things that I'm known for. However, I think it's hilarious because I love all personality tests. I've taken them all. I love them all. They're great. There's one called the DISC personality test, DISC, and it's specifically focused on how you function in a workplace. And when I took this test years ago, it broke down some things in categories, and the very first thing listed was about emotions. And my personality type has listed very first, accepts aggression. That's a really weird trait, like that I can be, yelled at or in a tense situation and not take it personally, and I just accept your aggression. It's fine. It doesn't faze me. This year, working with teachers, I have discovered that may be my very most important quality, being able to accept aggression. It's been tough a year for teachers, guys.